Guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can watch MLB streaming games without cable. So first of all, you can directly watch all the games using or purchasing a package. For that, head over to your browser and then type in mlb.com. You will get to its official website. In here, select three bar icon, then select MLB TV, and here select all packages. Now at this section, you will see that it says watch every out-of-market game live or on demand. So you may go ahead and buy any one of these. So likewise guys, if you would like to purchase other packages, again select MLB TV Home. And you can see that you can either subscribe to seasonal or monthly packages. If you are trying to purchase seasonal, you can also start a free trial. So go ahead, do that, follow the on-screen prompt. Once done, you will be able to watch each and every game.